Hello pilots, and welcome to beautiful Sun and Fun in Florida. This is Sporty's booth, and we realize a lot of you guys might not be able to make it down here to sunny Florida, so we're going to take you through a quick walkthrough and show you what's hot here at Sun and Fun. Sun and Fun is the first trade show that you're going to find our PJ2 Plus radio. It is the only radio in aviation that has built-in PJ plugs on the top. In addition, we've added a 3.5 millimeter jack, so you can plug in your favorite pair of earbuds and walk around the show and listen to air traffic. We have show specials on this not only at the show, but also back at sportys.com. Bose introduced a new headset the first day of Sun and Fun. It's called the A30, and this improves upon their already popular A20. It's lightweight, has less clamping force, and a full digital A&R experience. This is really quiet and really comfortable. Check them out. Lightspeed headsets are a favorite for many pilots. Their latest is the Delta Zulu. It is a digital A&R experience, and it's incorporated a CO detector inside the headset, so you'll have alerts via the audio of your headphones. You can't visit an air show without getting a cheesy t-shirt. We have lots of options here at our show, as well as online at sportys.com. While we're at it, check out our flight bags from Flight Outfitters. Kneeboards are very popular in the cockpit, and Sporty's just introduced some new ones this year. This is our Slimline iPad rotating kneeboard. There's a nice ledge here where your iPad sits on, and two straps that go over the top. What's neat about this is those straps are adjustable, so you can miss all those buttons on whichever iPad you have. Straps to your leg and rotates left and right, and it's very inexpensive at under 25 bucks. We have two different sizes, one for minis as well as the big iPads. iPads and ADS-B units are all over the cockpit, and you gotta have a way to keep those charged up. And Flight Gear has lots of different options for you. Our favorite option is this big battery brick. 20,000 milliamp hours will power an iPad, iPhone, and a Stratus for almost any flight. These are available online at a good price here during Sun and Fun Week. And you can't go wrong with some flight training materials at Sporty's. So we got our E6B on special this week, as well as a bunch of flashlights. You even find water bottles and coffee mugs. All this stuff you can find not only here at the show, but also back online at sportys.com. If you missed Sun and Fun this year, don't worry. We're going to be at Oshkosh with a lot of the same stuff. So hopefully we'll see you up in Wisconsin in July.